Baby, can you move it on the rhythm so we can get with and jump around and get us a rock and roll round? Down, down, body, body, coming with the super hottie.
Welcome back. This is episode 5, I believe, of my Laythe series, and my name is Deizelpunk. I accidentally forgot to film the ascent, but no one wants to see that anyway, so it doesn't really matter. This is my transfer stage for the 2 Laythe skimmer aircraft right here. Got it in orbit, no problem. Had a little bit of a fuel issue. I just had to move it around because I'll show you a picture of the launcher in a second, probably. Yeah, other than that, this thing is pretty well ready to send, but as usual, I don't think we're in a good transfer time. Well, nah, I think that's alright. Let's try it. See if we can get a transfer. Actually, you know what? No one wants to see this, so I'll get us to Laythe, and then I'll start filming again. Alright, welcome back. We're in orbit around Laythe. I've been having some electricity issues, but I did the transfer and all that legitimately, which is nice, for once. I just showed a picture of the transfer craft, but I'll probably put one up again now. I think we're pretty well ready to enter the atmosphere. We have 2 airplanes. I don't know if I actually showed anything when I was building or any of the interior of this craft, but that wasn't really necessary. It was pretty much exactly the same as the other one, just a little bit bigger. Had more boosters, and actually I did some kind of cool stuff with the solid fuel rocket boosters. I put 4 of them together and then made 4 little packages of 4. You would have seen that if you saw the pictures, but again, I already probably put it up at least twice in the video, maybe just once. Almost done here. No. Oh, that's odd. I thought that this would have gone at the tail, because this is definitely heavier than the payload. Or it should be. Odd. Yeah, that's weird. Whatever. Maybe it's just because this is longer route or something. I don't know. Oh, well, that's where we were supposed to be landing. Somewhere. Well, no. Maybe Trajectories mod is accurate. Yeah, that looks kind of reasonable for where we might land. Oh shit. We're very low in the atmosphere for the speed we're going at. You see, that's I was actually hoping that this would face the right way, because we gotta try and slow us down because we need to deploy parachutes and stuff, and we're very low altitude now. Oh, this is not good. I'm gonna pop the fairing. Oh, that was stupid. I don't think I even quick saved. Nice. That. Well, looks like I'm putting a bunch of air brakes on that for round 2, because I'm gonna do that again. Alright, well, I'll see you guys soon. Alright. I came in way flatter than I wanted. I wanted to be originally in inclined orbit, but that's fine. We're just burning there. I have way less fuel because I was really inefficient with my maneuvers, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. Basically, all I did was I added some more solar panels to fix that electricity issue, which it did. And then I just put on a whole lot of air brakes, which didn't open. This is rotated. If it was over here, it wouldn't be so bad. I think I'm just gonna have to do a little bit of a time lapse. Okay, well, gonna have to go to the tracking station. Yeah, screw it. I'll just deorbit us, whatever. From here. Can't be that bad. As long as we don't go too deep, I can just fly one of them back and leave the other one where it is, or hopefully land it on some island. Whoa! You pressed backspace, by the way, to go back to whoops, your craft that you were piloting. If you accidentally go to a different planet. Yeah, I don't know. This is really laggy. I feel like these probably have way more parts. I didn't even check how many parts they had. Yeah, using RCS, that's probably a little better. Alright, just a kiss. Just kiss it. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Now I can just time warp. Get in there. And landing near those islands aren't that bad, because I wanted to venture over here sometime. I'm just going to leave one of the planes here and then have to fly the other one here. I named these Rover 1 and 2 as well. I'm planning on sending a base, but if these have too many parts, then I might just have to... I don't know what I'll do. I'll have to send a really low part count base or something. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Actually, here, let's... Well, hold on. What I was going to say is we should bring our orbit back up. Once we start touching the atmosphere, we'll thrust through it so that we can, you know, try and land over here, but I don't know if that'll work. I don't even know if these air brakes are going to actually do anything, because they don't go out past here. I was hoping that I could have it so that back here the center of lift was, so that this would face into the atmosphere. I should have just dragged these back so that it caused more drag. Alright, well, we're deorbited now, so... I can't believe these solar panels are still on. What are they made of? Man, the lag is brutal. That is pretty, though. Screenshots can't see lag, so... I'll just take one. I definitely don't want to stage the fairing, because last time that did not go well. Oh, I think because I burnt that entire time, we're gonna end up digging into low again. Well, we'll see what happens. I don't know. We're definitely going down fast. I'm gonna quick save now. Might as well. Oh, dang it, we did lose those fins. Oh, we lost the ones down here too? Uh-oh. I am not doing this launch again. Oh, we're out of electric charge? You're kidding me. Well, more parachutes and hyper edit it is. Actually, this is salvageable. I have an idea. I'll load the quick save. I'll make the engines toggle so that it starts making electricity. What my idea is to try and get one gliding, and then get that one like gliding safely, and then get the other one doing the same thing, gliding safely. Alright, I'm gonna pop this real early. Oh! That was stupid. Wait, it might work out fine. Might work out fine. Might work out fine. Put these down here. Oh my god! Oh, whew. Thank God. Oh wait, I gotta activate this, the liquid fuel. Activate that. That's activated already. Nice. Okay. So these are making electric charge now. They should be stable. Where's the other one? Just gotta activate one of these. Activate one of these. Okay, gonna turn that down. Okay, now that this is in flight, I'm gonna cut this parachute back here. The other one I'm just gonna let use its parachutes, but that's just until this one gets into stable flight. I'm gonna turn off this engine also to save this. Alright, nice, perfect. Okay. Oh, that's annoying. I have to cycle through all of these to get through them. Or just hit the other button. You idiot. Where is it? Where is it? This one that I set gliding or not? No, that's that one. Alright, alright, good. Okay, this one I'm gonna land. So I can cut the parachute. I really hope I don't need to use this. I just hope those all crash. Yeah, nice, so that I don't have to deal with all that. Oh. Okay, that is probably the probe core. It's gonna fall a little slower. Oh. That was really intense. My heart was pumping. Okay, good. This one's still stable flight. Nice. Turn this other one around just to kind of stay close to that. Oh! They don't fly very well with lag. I'm also gonna probably angle this one up just a tiny bit. Nah, down is fine. I just want to keep them somewhat close together so that I don't lose control enough one of them. It's fine. That would be pretty bad. I'd only imagine it would be bad. Alright, this one's going down nicely. Yeah, you see I lost these fins, and these are what I use to take off from the water mainly. So these are pretty important fins. Where's that other one? Over there. Okay. That one's probably good to turn around again. Oh, this is really hard. Not landing, but flying two planes at the same time. Sort of wish I had BD armory things on these so I could have one follow the other. I might have to make an even smaller plane because these do look like they have a lot of parts now that I look at them. These might be good for like longer range missions or something like that, I don't know. I might have to pause recording for a few minutes because I hear my parents saying supper's ready, I think. I want to land these first. Man, I think I might have to disable the oceans for scatter because this is brutal lag. And I don't think it's from the planes because depending on how many parts are on these things, I might have to check when I go back to the Space Center next time. Where's that other one at? Okay, I'm 3 kilometers up. Oh. Okay, what? It doesn't float on Laythe? Of course it doesn't float on Laythe. That's one of the things I should have thought about. Alright, well that one's safe at least. Now I can land this one. I'm just gonna have to land these because this episode's already getting long enough. And I'm probably gonna end up having to send a revised version of this that floats higher in the water. I might have to just send a completely new one, actually. Like I said, a smaller one that has less parts, because I guess this is a lot of parts here and stuff. I want to keep a similar design, it's just going to be a smaller version. These are still useful, so I'm going to keep them here, but they're going to be kind of dormant. Not useful for this mission, or this part of the mission. I don't plan on exploring too far first. What I want to do is kind of make like cinematic style stuff with like a little story going on once we get to Laythe. But we'll see. That's later down the line. I don't even have a base here yet. And now I'm gonna have to worry about too many parts on certain vessels. I didn't even think about that. Well, I mean I did. That's what I was thinking about when I was designing this, trying to float parts, but I broke the fins on this one. Alright, well, I'm just gonna have to terminate this one from, what's it called? Alright, cannot switch vessels while in the atmosphere. Okay, yeah, well, I'm gonna end the recording here. I'll terminate that one and I'll rename this one here. Then I guess I'm gonna have to design a new aircraft. So this may or may not be the end of the video.
ऐ महबूब दे देखने कारण